Hello, good morning. The question is that find the slope of lines positive direction of x-axis. And at this book, that is the, you see, this is the slope. You know, I am telling you, if you see my previous video, this is the straight line chapter. The question is that the slope of the line's positive direction of x-axis. First bit minus pi by 4. First you see this, the first bit how it will be done, same the other bit also you will do. So firstly we know that minus pi by 4. We know that if the question is given slope, so that what do you mean by slope? That time firstly L is solution. The slope, how will you do the slope? We know that when the slope is coming, that time first we will take the tan theta. Okay? Here tan theta is equal to, what is? We will take m. This is slope. Always we are taking the slope, that is the variables m. Okay? So tan theta is equal to m. Here m is equal to theta is minus pi by 4. Okay. Now I will write tan theta is equal to tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 means minus tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree value 1, that is minus 1. Understood? So that if the slope is telling what is the slope, find the slope of the line positive direction. That is slope is positive direction is, that is minus 1. The slope is minus 1. Hence the slope is, the line is minus 1. Understood? If we will go to second number question and other all bits of first number, that is same. Okay, that is given 2 pi by 3, 3 pi by 4, pi by 3, all other questions is same. Another one number I am doing for you, that is number 2. Question number 2. Find the slope. See, find the slope of a line passing through 2 points. Passing through 2 points. That means there is given only 2 points. One first number I am telling to you, first bit minus 3 2 and 1 4. Okay? You see how you will do that. Two points given. These 2 points given. This slope we will take. Either maybe this slope, this type of slope, or this type of slope. Okay? That I will see. Okay? You see, when the question is giving slope, that time first we will take let m be the slope of the given line. Slope of the given line. Understood? We know the slope formula. What is the slope formula? If the 2 point is given, how will you calculate the slope? We know the slope identity, that is m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So that we will take this x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay. Now we will take that m is equal to 4 minus 2 by 1 minus of minus 3, that is 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Now the slope of the line is, now hence the slope of the line is 1 by 2. What we are doing? You see, when there is 2 point is given, 2 point and 2 coordinate, 2 points, 2 coordinate if there is given, so that firstly we will take the x1, x2, y1, y2. After then we will put this formula, then we will get the slope. Okay, then the bits of this number 2, that is also same type. If you are getting some doubts, just to message, okay, just to message me. My WhatsApp number is there, is mentioned. You just message me. I will take care and I will teach you how it will do properly. Okay. Number 3 also, one number I am doing for you. Number 3, see. The question is given, state whether the two lines in each of the following are parallel, perpendicular or either. That means, you see, the question is 2 point is given. 2 point, one line is given, another also one line is given, so that this line may be, this line is perpendicular or parallel. How will you know? If 2 point is given, here is one point P, another point is Q. 2 point is given, more also 2 point is given, that is another 2 points given, R and M. R and M. These two lines, which type will be crossing the these two lines? Which type will intersect? Either perpendicular or parallel. If that will be the parallel, so that will not intersect. If that will be perpendicular, then it will intersect. Right? Then how will we know that? First question is given, you see, through 5, 6 and 2, 3. This is one coordinate. I am writing here P is equal to 5, 6. P point 5, 6, Q point 2 and 3. And another one point through 9 minus 2 and 6 minus 5. Okay, 2 point is given. 2 line is given. One line 2 point and another one line 2 point is given. How will you find out? Firstly, we will be find the slope of the first line. Okay, so the slope of M1. Slope of M1. M1 means firstly we will found this line, which type of slope is this. Okay, and the slope of this line we will find first. So that what is the formula? We know that y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So that 3 minus 6 by 2 minus 5. Okay, then minus 3 by minus 3, minus minus cancel, this is 1. The first slope is 1. And second slope also we will find M2, that is minus 5 minus of minus 2, this minus 5 minus of minus 2 by 6 minus 9, that is minus 5 plus 2 by minus 3 is equal to minus 3 by minus 3, minus 1 cancel 1. Now what we know that? Now we knew that the first slope value is 1, second slope value is 1. So that first slope and second slope is equal. So that M1 is equal to M2. We know that when M1 is equal to M2, that time this two line is, when two slope is equal, that time two line is parallel. So that this two line is parallel. Hence, two line is parallel. Understood this point? If you are getting doubts, just to message me. Okay. Thank you for watching my video.